Okay, this is a video of my furnace control project. Okay, you can see the red light flashing on the board, and that indicates when it takes a temperature reading, and you can see the display. The yellow is the room temperature, and the light blue or cyan is the set point. So right now the room is cooler than the set point, so after the 75 it says 0, which means open, and then the H means heat. And if and we look at the vanes in the heat register, they're open. Okay, then if I apply heat to my thermal probe here, you can watch the room temperature increase. And there it did. It just shut the vanes off. Okay.